Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So what can I say about the DAX this morning apart from big confusion? So we had a red bar, green bar, red bar, inside bar, engulfing bar. So that is just a pure signal of confusion, and we're in this zone that we've been in for so long. Nothing really we can see on the daily, and I'm not really going to read into the price action there either. But what we do have is, firstly, we had a trend break. There's our trend break. I mean, we gapped up above it and immediately reversed off to come down to the bottom and sort of close this bottom gap here. So you can see the levels that we had drawn in yesterday sort of kind of holding up. I think there's one more that we can add in over there, which we haven't really tagged yet, but I suspect we will tag that sometime today. And at the moment, my view stays on this. Until we get some direction, I'm really staying away from this. Or alternatively, we'll be looking at scalping this rather than trading it. So I'll get onto the scalping now. But for me at the moment, this has been a fairly decent pullback. And what we need to do is look for opportunities. So as far as I'm concerned, we're just going to stay within these levels here. So the first level to the downside here is 12689, and the ultimate level to the upside is 1300. Okay, 1300 being a massive level, and clearly, we're not going to get through that anytime soon. So I would really be looking for longs off the bottom. I think that's the safest bet here. Just want to get a 3 or a 4 hour chart here, and what we're going to have to do is let's just clean this up a bit. There is a gap to the downside as well, so, and that gap is down there, which never really closed. Okay, so I expect we should get movements to the downside. And the first one is 12689. Then there's a zone here of 12555 to 12500, and ultimately right at the bottom there's a gap at 12316. So I suspect that is the area we're looking for, and we do have a bit of a measured move potential here. There's one there which takes us into this zone here. So that's kind of the view that I've got right now, and the way I would be trading this right now if I was to trade the DAX would be to look for pullbacks on the 15-minute, look for structure, and there's a first level here, and obviously we've got this trend line as well. So any pullback back into 12794 or alternatively 12824, any pullback into this area, I would then be looking to short this and looking for targets along the line of 12689 and 12555. I don't think I'm going to have the guts to hold on below that because probably get ambushed anytime soon. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of the way I would do this, and to be honest with you, probably on a 5 or 6 minute chart. Okay, so you can see the structure on the 5 and 6 minute chart, staying below the moving average. Get into it, exhaustion bar here, move down. You can see the break there was pretty much bearish, and down we went. Okay, so that's kind of what I'd be looking at the moment. Just be warned that the futures market for the DAX at the moment is up 0.2%. The DAX was only really down 0.4% yesterday, whereas the US markets were down almost 1.8, 1.6, and I think 1.7 were the three markets down. Anyway, I think that's it for me on the DAX. If you are going to trade it, I think scalping on a lower time frame and just get your levels drawn in on like a 2, 3 or 4 hour chart, and you're going to trade onto those levels, and you're going to buy and sell off those levels. I'd be a buyer down the bottom here at this gap close anyway, 12316. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.